Hello everyone. So yesterday I posted a video about the different levels of soap traces: thin trace, medium trace and thick trace, and what you can achieve with each stage. After that, someone asked me how long they should mix their oils and lye together for. Well, the answer really depends on the temperatures of your oils and your lye. So in this video, I've got my oils here and my lye as well. Now my lye was a bit hot, so I'm letting it cool down a bit. Ideally, when you're mixing your soap, both the oil and the lye should be between 33 and 38 degrees Celsius, with a difference of no more than 2 degrees. So for instance, if your oils are at 33 degrees Celsius, your lye should be around 35 degrees Celsius. As beginners, it's best to stay within this temperature range. Why does temperature matter? Someone may ask. Well, the higher the temperature, the faster your soap mixture thickens. It accelerates the trace, making it harder to work with. When your temperature is low, you have more time to work with your soap, especially if you want to add colors, swirls, or fragrances. Now, let's look at the first soap. This one was mixed to a thin trace. At this stage, the soap is still quite fluid, making it perfect for smooth pours and clean, even surfaces. You can see how nicely it flows into the mold, leaving a smooth top. This soap is actually an orange soap. Now moving on, the next one is a coffee soap. I've kept this one at a thin trace as well, so I can do a swirl design. As you can see, the consistency here allows me to create beautiful patterns with ease. Swirling works best when your soap is at a thin or light to medium trace, because the soap is still fluid enough to move around and form those elegant designs. Now look at this next soap. Here we've reached a medium trace. You can tell because as I draw my spatula or the blender across the surface, it leaves noticeable ripples. At medium trace, the soap is thicker and holds its shape better. This stage is perfect if you want to add layers or texture to your soap. Now finally, we reach a thick trace. At this stage, the soap has become too thick to pour smoothly. It's more like a thick pudding. Thick trace is ideal if you want to create spatula designs, but it's not suitable for swirls or smooth pours. So, to sum up, the temperature of your oils and lye significantly affects how quickly you reach trace. Stick to 33 to 38 degrees Celsius with a 2 degrees difference between the two for the best results. And remember, the lower the temperature, the more time you have to experiment with your designs. Thank you for watching and happy soaping.